Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and sorry if I look a mess in this video, but I haven't done a video for a few weeks, about a week. So I thought I'll get one uploaded and why not make it an unboxing again. So I picked up a Bluetooth speaker as the network I am with, O2, they had this on offer. What was it? It was £45, now reduced to £35, so I thought it could be classed as a bargain unboxing kind of thing because it was reduced, so I thought okay. It's the JBL Clip 2, so I thought let's get it and let's unbox it. Right, let's get these. Okay, that was easy, I think. Now, someone made a comment in my last unboxing that I unboxed like an old man. Well, to be honest, I like to preserve the packaging kind of thing, you know. So, if I can, I will try. Okay, so you get a little micro USB cable. Put that here. Oh! You get a little tab to pull out. Let's go for the boring stuff first. Actually, let's not go for the boring stuff. What's holding this in? What is holding? Why is this so hard to get out? There we go. Okay, so I'm guessing by the name Clip 2, there's the clip. You just clip it on. And then it's got a rubberized bottom, if that's the right word, to also just set down there as well. Okay, and it's got a 3.5mm cable as well, if you want to just, plug in. So, let's put that background there. Come on, there we go. Oh, what's this I see? Right, so there is the micro USB charger. Come on, go in. No one take any innuendos from this video, please. Power button, Bluetooth button. Oh, jeez. Oh, wow. Okay. Volume up, volume down, and I guess that's to answer your calls, yes. And there's your microphone. Okay, let's just hear that again. Okay, interestingly enough, it said JBL by Harman, and Harman is actually apparently the same software as what the software that's on my laptop, so should be pretty good, I'll make another video reviewing it as well, because I can't exactly review it now because I'm using my phone to record this video. I have got the iPhone, but to be honest I don't particularly want to use that Air. Right, so I'll do another review of this and I will hopefully make that next week's video. So thank you very much for watching everyone, hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.